Hello, kids! Don't skip the video. Today, we will learn the tables from 2 to 5 in an interesting and fun way. Watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to watch and learn. Let's start! Welcome back to our fun learning classroom. Today, we are going to learn the table of 2 together. 2 1 the 2. Let's repeat, kids.
2 1 the 2. 2 1 the
2
2.
2 the 4.
2 2 the 4.
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6.
2 4s are 8.
2 4s are 8.
2 5s are 10.
2 5s are 10. Very good.
2 6 the 12.
2 6 the 12.
2 7 the 14. 2 7 the 14.
Ah!
2 8 the 16.
2 8 the 16.
2 9 the 18.
2 9 the 18.
2 10s are 20.
2 10s are 20.
Hello, kids! Now we are learning the table of 3.
Yay, we're ready.
Are you ready, kids?
Yes.
3 1 the 3.
3 1 the 3.
3 2s are 6.
3 2s are 6.
3 3 the 9.
3 3 the 9. 3 4 the 12. 3 4 the 12.
3 5 the 15.
3 5 the 15. Very good.
3 6s are 18.
3 6s are 18. 3 6s are 18.
3 7 the 21.
3 7 the 21.
3 8 the 24.
3 8 the 24.
3 9 the 27.
3 9 the 27.
3 10 the 30.
3 10 the 30. 3 10 the 30.
Very good, kids. Good job. Now we will learn the table of 4. Are you ready for more learning?
Yes, we are.
4 1s are 4.
4 1s are 4. 4 1s 4. Excellent.
4 to the 8.
4 to the 8.
4 times 3 is 12.
4 times 3 is 12.
4 times 4 equals 16.
4 times 4 equals 16.
5 4 the 20. 5 4 the 20. 4 times 6 equals 24.
4 times 6 equals 24.
4 times 7 equals 28.
4 times 7 equals 28.
4 times 8 is 32.
4 times 8 is 32.
4 times 9 the 36.
4 times 9 the 36.
4 times 10 equals 40.
4 times 10 equals 40.
Very good, kids. We have learned the tables up to 4. Excellent. Now we will learn the 5 times table. Are you ready for more?
Yes!
Great. Let's start. 5 1 the 5.
5 1 the 5.
Excellent. 5 times 2 equals 10.
5 times 2 equals 10.
Excellent. 5 3s are 15.
5 3s are 15.
Excellent. 5 4 the 20. 5 4 the 20. 5 5s are 25. Let's all say it together.
5 5s are 25.
Excellent. 5 times 6 equals 30.
5 times 6 equals
30. 5 7 the 35.
5 7 the 35.
Excellent. 5 8 the 40.
5 8 the 40.
5 9 the 45.
5 9 the 45.
Yes! 5 times 9 is 45. Excellent. 5 times 10 equals 50.
5 times
Very
50.
good. Let's say it again.
5 times 10 equals 50.
Very good. Excellent, kids. Today we learned the tables from 2 to 5. In my next video, I will teach you the tables from 6 to 10. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye-bye, kids.